Hi, this is Jamie Sublette again. I'm going to be spending the next couple of minutes going over the Work Experience 290B course assignments. So at this point you should already have viewed the orientation video for the General Work Experience class. For this particular class, there are two assignments that you need to complete. The first, you'll notice the details on page 9 of your packet, of your syllabus. You are required to complete one business skills video. So you'll go to the LRC, which is located on the West Campus, right next to the library. You'll watch the video. There's a worksheet that's accompanied with the video. You'll complete the worksheet and you'll turn it in to me at the end of the semester. The videos can only be viewed in the Learning Resource Center located next to the library. So that's your first assignment. And there are 5 different videos that you can choose from, and they're all focusing more on interview skills. So please feel free to pick the one that is most interesting to you. Secondly, there's the other assignment, which is your resume. So at this point, you need to turn in a copy of your resume, and this is a final draft. This is not a rough draft. So either maybe it's your first copy of a resume that you've ever created, or you can be fine-tuning your resume that you've already created in the past. In the back of your packet, we do have resume and cover letter essentials. I'm asking that you just complete a resume, and please feel free to utilize this sheet to help you create your resume. And also know that there's a lot of resources available to our students, both on our website and in the Career Center. So if you're looking for a little bit of feedback, you'd like somebody to review your cover letter, or excuse me, if you want somebody to review your resume or help you create it, please feel free to utilize our website and to come in and ask for feedback. Again, both of these assignments are due at the end of the semester.